Hello students, today we will see some more examples in practice set 4.1. Now here example number 5, convert the following ratios into percentage. Now first example is 15:25. Now we learn that what is percentage. If the second term of ratio is 100, then it is called percentage. We have to convert this in percentage. Now first write down given 15:25 is equal to. Now we can write A is to B as A upon B, therefore 15/25. Now we have to make second term as 100, therefore we have to multiply 4. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 15 into 4 divided by 25 into 4 is equal to 15 into 4 is 60 upon 25 into 4 is 100. And 60 upon 100 is 60%. This is 60%. This is conversion of ratios into percentage. Now second example, 7 upon 10. Write down given as it is 7 upon 10 is equal to. Now here we have to make this as 100, therefore for this how to do? We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Therefore 7 into 10 divided by 10 into 10 is equal to 7 into 10 is 70 divided by 10 into 10 is 100. And 70 upon 100 is 70%. Now example number 3. 546 divided by 600. Now first write down given 546 divided by 600 is equal to. Now here is 600, we have to make this 100. Therefore for this we have to divide this by 6. Therefore divide this numerator and denominator by 6. 546 divided by 6 whole divided by 600 divided by 6 is equal to 546 divided by 6. 546 divided by 6 whole divided by 600 divided by 6, that is 100 is equal to. Now dividing by these 6, 9, 1. Therefore 91 upon 100, and 91 upon 100 is 91%. Number 4, 7 upon 16. Now 7 upon 16 is equal to, here multiply and divide by 100. 7 upon 16 into 100 divided by, here in division there is 1 into 100 is equal to 700 divided by 16 whole divided by 100. This can be written as 700 divided by 16% or dividing by 16 point, or we have to write this point 8. Therefore, is equal to 43.78 divided by 100 is equal to 43.78%. 43 upon 43.78%. Question number 6. The ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5 at the time of Abha's birth. Her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abha and her mother. Now here, the ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. We have given the ratio of their ages. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abha and her mother. Now first write given the ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. Now we consider these are in multiple of years. Therefore, present age of Abha is 2 years and her mother is 5 years. Now, first write down the ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. Let the ratios are in the multiple of years. Therefore, the age of Abha the present age of Abha is 2 years and that of 2:5 and that of her mother is 5 years. Now by given condition, now we have given condition at the time of Abba's birth, means 2 years before, that is her age of her mother, that is 5 years minus 2 years is equal to 27. At the time of Abba's birth, her mother age is 5 years minus 2 years, this is 27. Therefore 3x is equal to 27, x is equal to 27 upon 3, dividing by 3, x is equal to 9. Now we have to find present age of Abba and her mother. Therefore first find the values of 2x. 2 into x is 9 is equal to 18, and 5x is equal to 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Therefore, write down answer. Present age of Abba is 18 years and her mother is of 45 years. Therefore, present age of Abba is 18 years and her mother is 45 years. Now we see here, after at the time of Abba's birth, that is 45 minus 18. 45 minus 18 is 27. Our answer is correct. Question number 7. Present ages of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years? After how many years? After how many years? The ratio of their ages. The ratio of their ages will become 5:4. Here, present ages of Vatsala and Sara are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years the ratio of their ages will become 5:4? Now first we consider, let after x years the present age of, after x how many years the ratio of their ages. Let after x years the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. Then we consider this is in the multiple of x. First write down, let after x years the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. Let these are in the multiple of x. These are in the multiple of x. these are in the multiple of years. Therefore, 5x, first 5. Therefore, the present age of Vatsala, or these are in the multiple of years. Therefore, age of Vatsala is 5x years and that of Sara is 4x years. Now let us see here. We have to write present age of, this is after this age, 5:4 is after x years. We have to write, therefore the present age of, the ratio, present ages of Vatsala and Sara is 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years? The ratio of present, first write down here. Therefore, by given condition, therefore by given condition. Now present age of Vatsala is 14 years. After x years, present age of Vatsala is 14 plus x years. Ratio of this with present age of Sara is 10 years, that is 10 plus x years is equal to 5:4. Therefore, 14 plus x divided by 10 plus x is equal to 5/4. Taking cross multiplication, 5 into bracket 10 plus x is equal to 4 into bracket 14 plus x. Now short bracket, multiplying by 5, 50 plus 5x is equal to 56 plus 4x. Therefore 5x minus 4x is equal to 56 minus 50. Therefore x is equal to 6. Value of x is 6. We have to find after how many years. Therefore, after 6 years, the ratio of their ages become 5:4. Therefore, answer is, therefore after 6 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. Now we see whether it is correct or not. After 6 years, 14 plus 6, that is 20, divided by 10 plus 6, that is 16. Now dividing by 4, this is 5:4. Our answer is correct. Question number 8. The ratio of present ages of present ages of Rehana and her mother is 2:7. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. What is Rihanna's present age? What is Rihanna's present age? Now, we have given the ratio of present ages of Rihanna and her mother is 2:7. We consider this is in the multiple of years, that is, present age of Rihanna is 2 years and her mother is 7 years. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages we have given by given condition, we write equation, and by solving this we get our answer. Now write down given the ratio of present ages of Rihanna and her mother is 2:7. Let these are in the multiple of years. These are in the multiple of years. Therefore, present age of Rihanna is 2x years. Therefore, present age of Rihanna is 2x years and that of her mother is 7x years. Now by given condition, now what is the condition? We have given the ratio of their ages will be 1:3 after 2 years. Therefore, after 2 years, what is the age of Rihanna? 2x plus 2. Therefore, 2x plus 2 is 2. 7x plus 2 is equal to 1:3. Therefore, 2x plus 2 divided by 7x plus 2 is equal to 1/3. Taking cross multiplication, 7x plus 2, 1 into 7x plus 2 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. Now taking multiplication, 7x plus 2 is equal to 6x plus 3 into 2, 6. 7x minus 6x is equal to 6 plus becomes minus 2. X is equal to 4. Now value of x is 4. We have to write the present age of Rihanna. Therefore, now present age of Rihanna is 2x years. Therefore, write down 2x is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8 years. Therefore, present age of Rihanna is of 8 years. Now we have to write here only present age of Rihanna, and if we have to take present age of her mother, 7 years, that is 7 into 4, 28. Present age of Rihanna is, we see whether it is correct or not. The ratio of present age of Rihanna present age is 8 divided by her mother is 7 into 4, 28. After 2 years, 10 divided by 30, the ratio is 1:3. Our answer is correct. Okay, thank you.